Brain-Spine Interface Research helping spinal cord injury victims to walk freely. Hi friends, I am Edwin Williams, EJW Science Research. Recent research on brain spinal cord interface facilitates the injured to walk naturally. A spinal cord injury interrupts communication between the brain and the region of the spinal cord, leading to paralysis that impairs human ability to walk. Dr. H. Lorach and team of Stanford University, US, resorted to this communication with a digital bridge between the brain and the spinal cord that enables the individual with a chronic tetraplegia to stand and walk naturally once again. This brain-spine interface, otherwise known as BSI, consists of fully implanted recording and stimulation systems that establish a direct link between the cortical signals and the analogue modulation of epidural electrical stimulation targeting spinal cord regions involved in the ability to walk. Epidural is a space around the spine. A highly reliable BSI is calibrated within a few minutes. This reliability has remained stable over 1 year, including during independent use at home. The subject reported that the BSI has enabled a natural control over the movements of his or her legs to stand, walk, climb stairs, and even traverse complex terrains. Neurorehabilitation supported by the BSI improved the neurological recovery. The subject in this study regained the ability to walk with crutches, overground even when the BSI was switched off. This digital bridge establishes a framework to restore natural control of movements after paralysis. The brain delivers commands to the neurons located in the lumbosacral spinal cord to walk. Majority of spinal injuries do not directly damage these neurons, yet the disruption of descending pathways interrupts the brain-derived commands that are necessary for these neurons to produce walking. Permanent paralysis will be its consequence. Dr. Lorach and his team conceived a wireless digital bridge between the brain and spinal cord that restored natural control over lower limb movements to stand and walk on complex terrains after paralysis due to spinal cord injury. Moreover, neurorehabilitation mediated neurological improvements persisted even when the bridge was switched off. This digital bridge approach is useful on a broad population of individuals with paralysis. This targeted epidural electrical stimulation of the spinal cord was found to be 100% successful in 9 treated individuals with incomplete or complete injuries. The team developed procedures and that supported straightforward, rapid, and stable calibration of the link between cortical activity and stimulation programs, enabling the participants to operate the BSI at home without supervision. The delivery of epidural electrical stimulation over the lumbar spinal cord has enabled many individuals with a spinal cord injury to regain adaptive control over the activity of paralyzed muscles. Observation indicates that anatomically intact yet functionally silent pathways from the brain can modulate the impact of epidural electrical stimulation or the activity of the spinal cord. This concept of a digital bridge between the brain and the spinal cord ushers in era of the treatment of motor muscles due to neurological disorders. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel for the latest informative scientific research in simple language that will give you the joy of research findings to help humanity and also knowing about them. Your subscription of my channel will make me spend more time to produce such videos quite frequently. Don't lag behind in knowledge and information when new, helpful, and painstaking researchers are going around the world. Thank you. EJW Science Research, Edwin Williams. Reference Henry Lorach et al. Nature, 618 volume, pages 126 to 133 of 2023.